Within a month, I had found $1 million of hidden debt. I created new revenue streams. I got it to a place where it was doing okay within the 3 months. If you don't disrupt yourself, eventually you will be disrupted by some external force and you won't be ready for it. That's solving everybody's most complicated problem in 20 minutes is a really horrible business model because, yeah, how many people's problems can I solve every day? But it is what it is what I love to do.
There are hyper intelligent people and team players that are in the wrong role or not engaged in the right way or starting to feel entitled because they've been mistreated in their role. That is both a potential danger, in which case you potentially need to get rid of them because you might not be able to win them back round, and that is a real problem for the business.
I will fight for your better future, whether you want it or not. You can't take me out of the fight.
Yeah.
I've got to convince somebody as an interrogator who hates me and my country and the fact that we're invading them and all of that stuff and win them over to where they want to actively help me. So, if you've tried everything else and you haven't figured it out, give Daniel 20 minutes and see what happens. I call that service break my business model, where I just come and interrogate your business like I used to interrogate weapons.